Let's start with installation. After importing the Outline shader package, open Tools, you will see Munanji Studio. Then a drop-down, you will see Outline Selection Toolkit. Then click Outline Tool window. Then we can now add the manager into your scene. This automatically sets up the core highlight system, including rendering, materials, and selection logic. Once it's in the scene, you're ready to enable the renderer feature. Next, open your render pipeline settings. Select your active renderer and click Add Renderer Feature. Choose the Outline Renderer feature. The system won't render outlines unless this step is completed. Make sure the Outline Renderer feature is positioned below post-processing for the cleanest image. Once added, your project is fully ready to start highlighting objects. Next, let's set up how objects are selected or highlighted. The system includes 3 selection triggers. Hover, highlights when the cursor moves over an object. Click, highlights only when clicked. None, highlights controlled entirely by code. You can also change the selection mode. Single, only one object can be highlighted at a time. Multiple objects can stay highlighted together. Toggle, clicking switches highlight on or off. Now let's take a look at the global outline settings. This section lets you change the appearance of all highlighted objects at once, no matter which profile they're using. You can set a global outline color, glow color, or edge color. As soon as you change these values, every selected object updates instantly. This is useful if you want a single highlight color for the entire game or for special gameplay modes. Animation, animated color transitions across the outline. And under animation controls, you can change the pulse speed, pulse strength, and pulse duration, which adds movement and makes the outline breathe or glow. These settings give you powerful stylistic control, letting you match any game aesthetic. You can also turn on gradient mode to give all outlines a smooth, multicolor effect. Enabling X-ray mode makes outlines visible through walls and objects. Once you toggle it on, every selected object becomes visible no matter what's in front of it. Thermal vision gives the outline a heat camera look. You can adjust the thermal colors, intensity, and glow to get the exact visual style you want. All of these settings, colors, gradients, pulse animation, X-ray, and thermal vision, can be used together. So you can mix and match to create simple, stylized, or very dramatic outline effects globally. The last feature is the selection mask. This allows you to choose exactly which parts of a model should be outlined. You can exclude specific meshes, materials, or child objects. Perfect for characters with multiple body parts, weapons, equipment, or layered props. It gives you full precision control over how outlines appear and what parts stay unhighlighted. And that's the complete setup. You've learned how to install the outline shader, configure the renderer feature, create custom profiles, adjust selection behavior, use advanced global effects, and fine-tune object masking. With these tools, you can create highly customizable, polished highlight systems in any Unity project. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the outline shader and create your own custom highlight profiles. Go to Add Component and search for Outline Profiler. Over here, you can see various settings. You can also select profiles from predefined templates already set up. But if you want to create yours, you can go to the folder you want to store it and right-click. Go to Create, and you will see Outliner on the drop-down and select Outliner Profile. So you can create your custom outline profile. Pretty convenient. Once you are done creating your profile, you can now assign it into the Outline Profiler component on the object. Each object can have its own outline profiler. Now with the Selection Manager, you can modify the selection behavior, either single or multiple, to suit your needs. Also, you can modify a profile in real time without it affecting the others selected. You can adjust animation duration, X-ray and thermal vision, so every object can have its unique setup.